Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students in grade 4, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to study lesson 4, which is complex shapes. We have studied before in lesson 1 to 3 the area and the perimeter of the rectangle and the square. And we studied that area of the rectangle equal what? Equals length times width. And area of the rectangle equals side length times side length. Also, about the rectangle, we have studied also the perimeter of the rectangle, the sum of its sides, length plus width plus length plus width. And perimeter of the square equals side plus side plus side plus side, or side times 4. And now we are going to study complex shape. What is the complex shape? The complex shape is the shape that is not rectangle and not square, but is combined. It is a combined of rectangle and square. So this shape is complex shape. Let's see this example and solve it together. Hold your pen and open your book, page number 67. Math book, page number 67, we will solve question number 1. Solve each problem. As you see in this shape, we have complex shape. As you see this shape, this is not a rectangle and not square, but if we divide this shape into two shapes, we can get two rectangles like this. Draw a line segment like this in the shape to divide it into two shapes. We have now shape number 1, or this number 1 and this number 2, or 1 and 2, as you like. We have number 1. Number 1 is called a rectangle, as you see. What is the length and the width of this rectangle? Length is 13 from here to here. This is the length, and this is the width. Length is 13 and width is 6. So can we find the area of this shape? Yes, very easy. Length times width, because it is a rectangle. And what about the other shape? The other shape is also rectangle. And we want to find if we have the length and the width or not. What about the length? The length is this side from here to here. This side is 18 meter. What about the width? This is the width. So what is the length of this side? This is unknown. How to find it? This is 24 from here to here. This is 24. What about this part only? So it will be 24 minus 13. 24 minus 13. 24 minus 13 equals what? Equals 11. So 24 minus 13, this is 30, right? And this is 11. And this is also 11. So we have length times width 18 and 11. So the area of the whole shape, the complex shape, equals what? Equals area 1 plus area 2. The first area is area 1. How to find it? As you know, area of rectangle equals length times width. Length times width equals what here in this rectangle? 13 multiplied by 6. So area 1 is 13 times 6. Plus, what about area 2? 18 times 11. Okay, how to calculate it? 13 times 6, you can calculate it here in this side. 13 times 6. You studied that before in grade 3, and we will study this and we will study more multiplication problems in the next unit, inshallah. 6 times 3 equals 18. And 6 times 1 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. So it will be 78. Plus, what about 11 times 18? 11 times 18, 1 times 8 equals 8, 1 times 1 equals 1. Put 0 here. 1 times 8 equals 8, 1 times 1 equals 1. Make it plus, and 8, 1 plus 8 equals 9, and 1, so 198. Now add 78 plus 198. 8 plus 8 equals 16, and 7, 8 plus 9 equals 17. 1 plus 1 equals 2, so it will be 276 square meter. So this is the area, square meter. 276 square meter. What about the perimeter of this shape? The perimeter, we will add all the sides of the rectangle, of the complex shape. Add with me. 13 plus 11 plus 18 plus, and this is what? 24 plus, and this is 6. 13 plus 11 plus 18 plus 24 plus 6. And what about this? Don't forget. What about this? This side is unknown. This side is unknown. How to find it? This is 18. All this side is 18. And this part only is 6. So this part is 6. What about the rest of 18? 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 equals what? Equals 12. Right here, 12. And here we have 12. Count the sides, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. That's correct. Now make plus. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 8, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 6, 22, plus 2, 24. 4 and carry up 2. 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 2, 7, plus 1 equals 8. 84 meter. So this is the perimeter. So the perimeter is adding all the sides. Don't worry, the problems should be more easier than this. So the numbers here in this exercise or this problem are very big numbers, and somehow need some need more time to solve, but don't worry, the problems will be more easier than this. And here also we can divide the same shape in another way. We divided the last one like this, but we draw a line here. But here we can also draw in this way. Now we have also two rectangles, rectangle number 1, rectangle number 2. Do you think we will get different area? Of course not. We will get the same area because it is the same shape, but maybe in different way. Maybe we'll use different numbers, but we will get finally the same area and the same perimeter also. So that's enough. We solved that one in this way. It's enough to understand the problem. Let's move together to the next page, page number 68. What about this? Calculate the area and the perimeter of the complex shape. Here, this also a complex shape. How to calculate the area of this shape and the perimeter? So easy, we can divide it into two shapes like this. Draw a line like this. Now we have two shapes. We have rectangle number one, we have rectangle number two. The shape number one, what are the dimensions of the shape? Dimensions means length and width. 8 is the length of this side from here to here, from the starting point and the end point, 8 centimeter. But what about uh, this only? This is 6, right? What about this? This is what? This is opposite to this. What about this? This is 3 centimeter. And this also 3 centimeter. And this is 8. What about this side? This part is 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So this equal 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter and this also 5 centimeter, right? 5 centimeter. Now we have the length and width of shape number one. So area equal area one plus area two. Area number two. Area one length times width equals what? 6 times 5. Exactly. Plus, what about area two? Length times width also. Length is 3 and width is 1. So 3 times 1. Is that correct? Let's solve this one. 6 times 5 equals 6 times 5 equals 30 plus 3 times 1 equals 3 and then 30 plus 3 equals 33 square centimeter. What about the perimeter? The perimeter here is adding the sides together. 6 plus 5 plus what is this? What about this? Okay, so this is 1 centimeter. This is 1. What about this? This is the rest of 6. So this is 6. And this part only here is 1 centimeter, like this. Same as this. So this is 1 centimeter, and this is the rest of 6, which is 5. So this is 5 centimeter. Now we have known all the sides of the complex shape. Let's add them together. This is 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus, what about this? Take 8 one time. 8 plus 6. You can start from any side, no problem. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 6. Now make plus 5 plus 5, 10, 13, 14, 22, 28. So the answer is 28 what? 28 centimeter because it is the perimeter. Let's go to the next shape. Same also like that one before. This is a complex shape. Can we draw a line like this to divide it into two parts? So we have shape number one, shape number two. What about this shape? It is a rectangle also, not a square. So area 1 plus area 2. The sum of the two areas equal the area of the whole shape. What about the dimensions of the shape number 1? 5 is the length. What about the width? What about this side? Look at the opposite side. This is 2, and this is 3, and this is 2. So 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7. So this is 7 centimeter. And we have now length and width. So area 1 equal length times width, which equal 7 times 5 plus. What about shape number 2? Length times width, which is 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Now, 7 times 5 equals 35 plus 2 times 3 equals 6. Now, 35 plus 6 equals what? Equals 41 square centimeter. Square centimeter because it is the area. What about the next question? Perimeter. Perimeter of the same shape. What about the perimeter? How to find the perimeter? Let's add all the sides of the shape. 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, exactly. 5 plus 2 make plus, so easy. 5 plus 2, 7, plus 2, 9, plus 3, 12, plus 2, 14, plus 2, 16, plus 5, 21, plus 7, 28. 28 centimeter. Is that easy? I think it's easy. Um, Now let's go to the last shape, which is in page number 68. How to find the area and the perimeter of that shape. This is a complex shape. We can easily draw a line like this to divide the shape into two rectangles. Rectangle number 1, rectangle number 2. What about the dimensions of this rectangle? Yes, they are given 10 meter and 4 meter length and width. Very good. So we have length and width are known. But what about the second one, shape number 2? We have here 1 meter, but we don't have the length. This is the width, and we don't have the length of the shape. This one is unknown. What about this? This is 10 from this is 10. All this equals 10. But we have 3. This part is 3 and this part is 1. So we have 10 minus 3 minus 1. 10 minus 4 equals 6. So this is 6 centimeter or 6 meter. 6 meter and 1 meter is the width. 6 meter and 1 meter. So we have 6 times 1, and the big one is 10 times 4. So we have here area 1 plus area 2. Area 1 equals what? Equals 10 times 4. And so 10 times 4 length times width plus area 2 equals what? Equals 6 times 1. 6 times 1. Now, equals 10 times 4 equals 40 plus 6 times 1 equals 6 equals 46 square meter. What about the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the sides. We have here 6, and this is 1, 3, 4, 10. What about this? So easy, 4 meter. And this is 1, and this is what? 1 also. Let's make them add together. And remember, we don't add the side inside the shape, right? The side inside the shape, we don't add this. Now make plus 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Plus 1, 29. Plus 1 equals 30. So the perimeter here equals what? Equals 30 meter. Okay. This is our lesson for today. Study hard, review the multiplication table very well because we need it in the next unit. Thank you very much for your attendance and your listening. See you inshallah again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.